Can you jump a little bit? Can you jump for us? Huh? Can you jump for us? She's not jumping. She's going to talk to us, but she's not going to jump. Come on. Come on, let's see you jumping. Let's see you jumping. Come on. You're looking at your big sister, aren't you? So happy. Such a happy girl again today. She is. Come on. Come on, let's go. What's happening here?
Maybe that'll get her bouncing.
Maybe that'll do it. Okay. Say goodbye.